I'm Narashika from E22 Foundation in Engineering at UITM Dengkil, and today I'll be guiding you guys on how to construct a histogram step by step by using an Excel Microsoft software. So without further ado, let's get into the main point of this tutorial. So for the first step is, of course, you have to launch Microsoft Excel, and then assume that you already have the table. So go to the source of your table, you click that little button at the edge of the table that you have selected, and then you click copy on the options given, and then you go back to your Excel workbook, the ones that you actually use, and you can actually double click any cell to paste the table. Make sure you choose the keep source formatting like the ones in video. Click source formatting just like I did, so your table doesn't change in any format. But then notice how the shape of the table is not that decent, so you can adjust the height of the row by putting any number that you want, and you also can adjust the column with any size that you want, just like how I did in the video. See, I insert any values that I want, but you can also click the auto fit column width and auto fit row height, just to make it like auto fit to the values and to the cells inside your table. And then the next step is for you to to click the first value that you want inside your graph. For example, it's less than 500 until all of this value except for the total. You click insert recommended chart. As you can see, there's many type of charts that you want, but in this case I want to make a histogram, so I choose histogram and I click the ones that I want. I click OK, and then the graph should appear like this. So this is how the graph isn't that accurate, isn't it? So you need to click on the horizontal axis, double click on the horizontal axis, and then you go to text options, and then you click the text field, and then you change the color. Maybe you want to change the color. Of course you can change the color, any color that you want. For me, I want it to be white because I actually want to turn the background into black color. So how I do change the background color, I double click the whole chart, and then I go to chart options, and then at the bucket image I click solid fill, and then I choose the color black that I want, and then the graph should look like that. You can actually do various of color. There's actually a lot of color options there. And then for the format data series, you can actually see there's plenty of options of how you want to customize your own charts. For example, like the button that I just clicked, you can make so many customization on your chart. This Excel give you the freedom that you want to customize your chart according to your own likable. So you can actually, there's a series, a chart area, horizontal axis, and all of this you can simply reach to the format data series column. And then so feel free and don't be afraid to explore the choices that you have, so that you can maximize the use of Microsoft Excel. That is actually very useful. In this case, I want to change the bar of my histogram as I want all of the class intervals to be there. So all that you have to do is to click the axis options, text options, and then by category, you click by category, and all of the class intervals should be on the graph just like how I did. And then you can adjust the fonts of the color of the font of vertical axis, as I want it to be a little brighter as my background is already black. So you have to choose your text options and then go to solid fill and change the color to white. As for mine, I want it to be white. And then you can also change your chart title by double clicking the chart title itself and then go to text options. And for in this case, I want to change the color, so you have to click the bucket image and then choose solid fill and then change the color that you want. In this case, I want mine to be in white, so I just did choose the color white on the bucket option. And then I want to change the color of the border, the thickness of the border between those bars on histogram. So all you need to do is double click on the bars and then choose the bucket one image and then choose border and then change the color, so according to your own likes. And then for mine, I choose solid line and then I choose black color, and then I reduce its thickness, so my graph should look like that. Last but not least, you can actually change the title of your graph by double clicking it and typing it right away. As a result, your graph should look like this. So we have arrived at the end of the tutorial, and I want to thank to everyone, especially my lecturers Dr. Nuzihan, for giving me a constant guidance on how to complete this assignment. I hope that everyone who's watching this video understands the step by step and can practice the applications on their daily life. So that's it from me. Thank you everyone for watching this video.